Quadpay at Walmart. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to use Quadpay at Walmart in store. So let's get started. Quadpay is a buy now, pay later service that splits your purchase into 4 equal payments over 6 weeks. Payments are interest free if paid on time. For in-store shopping, provide your virtual card details at checkout. And if you are doing online shopping, enter the virtual card information like any credit or debit in payment section. Zip will charge the first installment immediately and the remaining 3 payments are automatically deducted every 2 weeks. If you're using in-store, first open the Zip application and go to the in-store tab. Enter your order total to authorize the purchase, then open the Walmart app and go to Walmart Pay. Now add a new credit card and enter your Zip in-store card details, including your name and billing address. And that's how you will be able to use Quadpay at Walmart in-store.